2022 to 2025, we see lots of new tools every day coming up.
More than 11,000 new AI tools just came. Daily we have 20, 30 AI tools that are coming. For creating content, I don't give any time. It's all, automated.
By the end of 100 days challenge, how many followers you have got?
It went to 1.2 million views. With that, we got around 21,000 followers. If you can create value into the creators economy, then you can also get the golden visa. 7 of my friends got the golden visa. About AI agents, whatever you are thinking in your mind, right now it can be automated. King is ChatGPT.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I hope you guys are doing well and having a great time. So, today we have Mr. Osama Istiak on the podcast, a AI instructor and a content creator. Hello, Osama bhai, kaise ho?
Alhamdulillah, I'm good.
Thank you for being on the podcast. I'm really excited to have a deep conversation about AI and let's see how things goes.
Thank you so much for inviting me.
So, before starting the podcast, Osama bhai, I want to know about your journey and how did you get into the field of AI?
Basically, I'm a STEM instructor. STEM is basically science, technology, engineering, maths. So I'm in this field for the last 10 years. But with the basically, I'm into robotics, 3D designing, 3D printing, programming, drones, this type of stuff. But when at the end of 2022, when ChatGPT came, we looked into AI and we say that now is it's the thing to do. So we changed everything and then we started with generative AI. In generative AI, we used to make different videos, pictures, and making different content. And then my social media manager, I asked him to just work on AI and nothing else because we are into so many things we are into. So yeah, like this we started.
So this was started your journey into STEM and AI was started back in 2022 after ChatGPT
Yeah.
launch. So how has the changes happened in the field of AI throughout the time like 2022 to 2025? We see lots of new tools every day coming up. So how has the journey been?
Yeah, it's a roller coaster journey. When we started, there's a website called there is an AI for that.com. So I guess in 2022, December, it had around, I guess, 2,000, 3,000 AI tools. But when I saw, I guess, 6 months back, it had more than 13,000 tools. So with that, a period of 2.5 years, more than 11,000 new AI tools just came, and there are more coming. Daily, we have 20, 30 AI tools that are coming.
So how is it built? How long does it take to build one AI tool?
It depends on the tool what you are making. But with AI agents, and this stuff, Claude AI, Lovable. You also can use Blink, Cursor. If a person knows his field and knows the main problem, so he can build in hours. And it's not a big deal. Due to vibe coding, you can build different apps in 4 or 5 hours, complete app.
Wow, that's great. And what about your content creation journey? How had that started? Why did you feel like you have to start content creation and has that your journey been through?
Basically, I'm a content creator mainly on LinkedIn, and normally I don't make content. I have a team that makes everything, and we were just making content on LinkedIn for LinkedIn only.
When was this?
Around 2022, December
Okay.
2022 till 2022. So many people said that why you don't post it onto other platforms. But when we started, I guess it's on 2024 October. We started with Instagram and we post on Instagram, TikTok, and other platforms. But when we see the other content related to our niche, for example, our niche is AI content creation.
Sure.
So we saw different creators having different challenges, 30 days challenges, 60 days challenge. So I'm a person of systems. I believe in systems. So I said to my team, let's go for 100 days AI challenge. Whatever happens, we will see. So 37th video came, it went to over a million views. But before that, my views were normally 1600, 1300, 800 views only. But when this video came, it went to 1.2 million views. With that, we got around 21,000 followers. With that trajectory, it started. And now, Alhamdulillah, after every 3 weeks, 3 to 4 weeks, one video went go to 1 million views minimum. So this journey started. Now it's around 7 months, and we are have now on Instagram 110K.
As an AI instructor, how much time do you give for content on a daily basis or a weekly basis?
For creating content, I don't give any time. It's all automated. There's a team. We just talk. After 2 weeks, we talk what we're gonna make.
Mhm.
We just talk what we're gonna make, and then AI does everything, is scripting and voiceover and B rolls. A guy does this thing. So yeah.
So, an instructor, you are also an entrepreneur who doesn't work in the company, who works on the company. Same goes with your content creation. As I see that you mentioned that you don't give value, you just discuss idea, you tell your team that you just have to do this and we will plan it accordingly and you just have to. How do you direct your team?
Alhamdulillah, when we business, the most important thing is hiring. If you have done a good hiring, so more than 80 to 90% of the problems are solved. So we have a Google sheet. It's very basic, traditional. We have a Google sheet, and on that Google sheet we plan that what type of content we'll be posting for the next 3 weeks. We just do this thing, and the whole team is doing, scripting and seeing the market gap, what's coming new, and then putting those script into B rolls and using my clone and using my voiceover clone. So yeah.
100 days consistency is crazy, and what kind of determination it needs, even just for posting or coming up, showing up every day on content, that would be crazy. How did you manage? Like, how did your team manage? Like, every day you have to post content no matter what
Hmm.
happens.
It's really that if you make a system now,
Mm-hmm.
so you can go direct 1,000 days as well. But with AI,
Mm-hmm.
it's everything now you can automate. AI agents are there. You can also go direct 1,000 days as well. There are systems built, and I have the team is on salary, so they have to make the
Of
content.
course.
So with using right team,
Mm-hmm.
right hiring, plus using different AI agents, automations, you can do it. 10,000 days you can go direct.
So by the end of 100 days challenge, how many followers you have got and what changes you have seen in your life throughout the
Uh,
100-day
I
challenge?
got when I started, I guess around that was 1,600 followers, and those all were my friends and family, this sort of stuff. But after that, it went to 90K, and so many things changed. I got so many collaborations, brand deals with around 14 different AI companies. We got business to create content for them. More than I guess 30 plus companies globally, and also people started that have you any course, want to have a course with you. So we
Mm-hmm.
launched the course, and on its pre-launch it sold over I guess 350, but that was not made yet. um, yeah, so much.
Wow, that's like brand deals and so many. And also, I got to know that you have got your golden visa through content creation, and that have really. And I guess that's because of the 100 days challenge which you have got, if I'm not wrong, or you were involved in any of the creator economy ecosystem.
Yeah, there's a organization, Creators HQ in Dubai, which you are also a part of. So we are member there, and we applied, I guess, 4 months back, and it they see if you are a creator, if you can create value into the creators economy, then you can also get the golden visa. And our niche is very booming. AI niche is very booming, and it's for so I'm AI content creator, so it directly relates to them. So yeah, we make the content, and we make very latest and relevant content. Might that be the case?
What kind of creators does the creator economy system in UAE they are looking for?
What type of creators?
Yes.
Are normally, innovative, that adds value. Can bring different jobs to the community. Mainly into AI, fintech, these type of markets, I believe.
Okay, and like for getting as a creator, getting a golden visa, so what's the process like? If I'm a creator right now as a podcaster, what would you suggest? Like, how should I get into or get a golden visa?
Yeah, they see your content, what's your,
Mm-hmm.
whether it's impactful, whether it's add it to the creator economy. So normally you have a minimum of 10,000 followers across all social media platforms. If we add, 3,000 on Instagram, 5,000 on TikTok. So if we add, we have to have a minimum of 10,000 followers. So that's one base, but also they see what type of content are you making,
Mm-hmm.
whether it's serving value or not. So by that you can apply with it to it, and if you get the membership of Creator HQ, then you will have a chance to apply for the golden visa as well.
Got it.
So since the last 3 weeks, seven of my friends got the golden visa.
Wow, that's great. You know, Dubai government especially, they are promoting lots of creative stuffs that includes creators as well. And being in that ecosystem, we sometimes feel privileged to get that kind of networks, accessibility to different kind of people. Especially you and me, we met in the same space. What do you think, like how Dubai government is helping people in building building creators, building ecosystems for people? So what do you have to say on that?
Yeah, Dubai is the main hub of creators who are in the creative field. So if anyone is a creator, and they should apply for this creators HQ thing. So the creators around the world come here and network here. I don't have that much following, but my fellow creator has millions of followers. So when I calculated the number of followers reach I can go, uh, 2 days back it went to around 20 million followers. I don't have that reach, and if I go for that type of reach, it took it. Anyone who is a creator, he should look for Dubai,
Mm-hmm.
and he should look for this system, and also he can apply online. He doesn't have to come here. He can apply everything online.
What's the vision of Dubai government for creators?
They are looking for, they have set a quota of around 10,000 content creators whom they will be giving golden visas to.
So is
And
it every year or how is it?
you can apply it right now as well.
Okay.
For first, you have to apply for the Creators HQ membership, and then you can apply. And if they approves your membership, then you can directly apply to the golden visa.
All right, got it. So we spoke about Creators HQ and a bit about AI, but we will go more deep into AI and content creation and how someone can build AI and how people get to know the perfect tool for the perfect thing to do through AI. So can you tell me the five tools which someone need to know about content creation for AI?
It depends on the what type of content you want to make. What I really believe these days, you should learn about AI cloning. AI avatars.
Mm-hmm.
So if you and if you don't have any time, you are running a business, so you can create a clone that no one knows that it's a fake one.
Mm-hmm.
So these days it looks so. So one should, if he's interested in making content and showing his face, making a personal brand, he should look into Hagen. It has it's Act 4 or someone. Uh, so he should look for Hagen. Number two thing is Kling AI. It's going very good. Kling AI should also VO3. These three, and ChatGPT is the king for everything, for scripting and everything. I have a friend here in Dubai. You also know who's the channel of It's Free Dubai. So he's made a system from Notion to scripting. So he's done everything, AI automation. So you should also look for Notion as well. These are mainly the tools which everything, text to image, text to video, and if also you want to create voiceovers, your voice, so you can use 11 labs.
Mhm.
So these are the main tools, four or five only tools. You have to go to these four or five tools and no, don't you know.
So these are for creators. What about entrepreneurs?
So any type of entrepreneur can become a big social media celebrity if you know he should hire a person who good clones, good
Mhm.
AI avatars, so he can clone himself, and that clone can make the content, and whatever you want to talk about, you can have a script there, and in that script you can also add emotions to it,
Got
so
it.
it really looks like that it's a real person.
Got it. It's about system and you working on AI. As I mentioned, like any entrepreneur needs to be on the system, on the company instead of being in the company. Same goes with some any person right now in this era. They should be on AI, on everything. They need to learn AI and let AI do everything.
Sure, that's the case. Everyone should learn about AI agents. There are three, four websites, N8N, Make. These are two only websites. If you just learn this thing, you can make your agents. Whatever work you are doing, it can be friend of mine who's into AI implementation. He's into AI agents. He talked whatever you are thinking in your mind
Mhm.
right now, it can be automated. Whatever you are thinking.
That is crazy. But AI agent is something which is trending in the market right now. What does AI agent means?
Yeah, AI agent, it's kind of that doesn't need food and don't need any human things. So whatever you train it, it will do it for you. So for example, if you hire a person and you say that that's your job description, so you can tell that agent that it's your you have to do this steps, so it can work 24/7 and do work for you, and anything you think in your mind, that agent can be built right now.
Wow, that's great. So, any other AI tools or anything you'd like to say to the people, like which they can use on their daily life to make their life easy?
King is ChatGPT, and but these days Google Gemini is working. Is giving so much competition to ChatGPT,
Of course.
and its research model is really very interesting. Google Gemini you should look for, and also VO3. If you are into content creation, what I suggest everyone is to take time daily, 30 minutes, and use AI tools by yourself. That's because they are really very easy.
Mhm.
They are made so much user friendly that anyone can use.
So, Osama bhai, I want to know about ChatGPT. Like everyone are creating scripts from ChatGPT, and it looks very generic. Like you can see the wordings and everything to ChatGPT. How can we solve this here? How we can make our scripts very unique, very creative?
It's called prompt engineering. So you have to give a context first. Say whatever you are making, whatever script you are making, you should give a context first, or you should give different samples to it. What I do, I give different samples, different PDFs to it before asking anything,
Mhm.
and then I'll chat with you that you understand what I want to say. Do you understand the style? What like? So if you train the chat, and then you can create your own GPT. In ChatGPT, you can create different GPTs.
Yeah, like you have to write the descriptions and the
Yeah,
set of
yeah, yeah.
rules.
So what I do, I make my own GPT according to whatever script I want to make, and then I ask that please now give me script for this content.
Mhm.
So I give different to it that this is the main content. You should have to you should have to learn it and then give me details. And also we have created one viral script generator, that whatever script. Can you name any creator that you like so much that you
Varun
want?
Maya.
For example, Varun Maya. Na? So what that AI bot do? You just have to give the URL of any talk of Varun, and then put that inside, and then you give them that I want to create this content. So what that bot do? It the style, tone, Varun Maya, of Varun, also the research, how he research, what he's doing, everything, and then according that to the topic that you have given the topic, it will give you the script. So for example, Mr. Beast, and you want to make a content like Mr. Beast, for example, you want to make a content on anything, any example. For you like to make a content like Mr. Beast.
Mhm.
So whatever the topic, you give the topic.
I will give the topic like real estate, let's say.
Real estate, yeah. For the real estate content, if Mr. Beast makes, so you just give that URL of Mr. Beast video, and then give that I want to make for this real estate thing, and it will give you the script. So the job of script writer is gone, and the thing we say that it comes out very generic. So if you train the model, if you train ChatGPT, it's not the case.
Isn't it scary that jobs of people are going through AI? And like as you mentioned, script writer, maybe then comes designer, video editor, and maybe other people who are involved in operations. Do you think the job of these people will go?
The jobs will change, but these jobs will be gone, but they are gone right now with the advent of different bots. Many of my friends are making those type of bots, and also, adding two, three different agents and making a front end, back end, and make up. So these days it's going on, and it's going really very crazy. So many tools are coming in the next 2, 3 months now. So the jobs of which we are saying that it will remain, that also will go on. So what I suggest everyone is to learn this stuff, make your own product. You can create your own product. So if you have the distribution, you can easily make so much money.
Got it. So let's come to the last segment of this podcast where I want to discuss about things what is happening currently through AI, exploitation of AI, and what are the policies governments are making for through AI which should be regulated. So what are the things where which people need to take care of? Like few people are like, I will create someone's clone and put it on Instagram or any social media platform. So what are the rules for this kind of tools, and how we should be aware of those policies?
Yeah. So there are so many policies in which you cannot use anyone's clone. And for example, any personality that you are using its clone, you have to take the permission from that person. If you don't take the permission, and if that person sues you, you will need trouble. So there are so many things that people are not looking for, but there are things, there are different policies. You also can use ChatGPT to that what laws are going on. So, but these days, people are not getting in the radar. They are not in the radar, but AI is constantly evolving. So eventually they will be behind bars if they don't. Yeah.
What would you choose, like if it's ChatGPT or Gemini? So one final message you would like to give to the people who are watching this podcast about AI and the technology which is happening?
Yeah, this is the time of AI. You have to learn it fast. Right now, you have to learn. Use different tools. For example, these days, AI automation is the boom.
Boom.
AI agents are the boom right now. You just use two, three agents, make them one, make a product, make front end, back end, and then put that product into the market. Have some, go give this product to different creators for the distribution, and easily you can, get into the market. So many people I know that have now revenue of around 20 million dollars. They just started 2, 3 months back. We
Wow.
were also working with a company, with an AI company. They just started. After 10 weeks, they are now they are dollars. So it's very very easy. The was made is around 22 years of age. So if you know these tools, you know the market gap, and if you have the distribution sorted, so you can easily make so much money.
You know, learning AI is one thing where people find difficulty in learning things. Like they don't know how to operate things. Maybe some things might be complicated. Like how do we get adapted to learning AI tools?
YouTube is the best university in the world.
Mm-hmm.
You have to see different creators
Mm-hmm.
on YouTube, and normally, if you are into type of work, within a period of 1 week, you will know that who is the main creator of that type of content. So many creators are out there on YouTube. You should go for YouTube. So many people ask me about that. Where should we learn? Either Coursera, Udemy, and these are so many platforms out there. But when it comes about tools, no, so YouTube is the best. You
All
just have to put the filter of last week or 1 month, and then you get the updates.
right. Got it. And what about people say that any AI tool that's expensive? So, what tools would you suggest for them? Like, you can go for free or people can afford it?
Yeah, there's a problem with the mindset.
Mm-hmm.
We can go for a dinner, and we spend so much amount of money. So we should invest in AI. We should invest in ourselves. So when these questions come, I ask them that if you want to take a loan, if you get a loan, you should get a loan to use those tools. The
Mm-hmm.
outcome is too much, no? So if we see that, if you say that it's too expensive, then it's problem of your mindset.
Got it.
We have that much amount of money. For example, we can sort out around 150 to $50 monthly.
Got it.
That's your investment.
Got it. Thank you so much, Osama Bhai, for being on the podcast. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Jazakallah.